Let me very sincerely, on behalf of members, thank the Court of Appeal for what they are doing for this country, especially for their efforts in ensuring that the rule of law remains the order in this country. We thank them for what they are doing for this country, and it's our hope that they will continue to serve this country in their capacity as judges, so that our democracy can remain for the good of all. I want to also thank leaders of Rivers State. We know a lot of them have risen to the occasion. Thank them for all that they're doing for the sustenance of our democracy. The 10th Assembly of Rivers State has not received any requests from the governor to screen members of caretaker committee to fill vacancies in the local governments. We haven't received any such communication, and we believe that's in line with Section 7 of the 1999 Constitution as authored, which has guaranteed a system of local government by democratically elected local government officials, that the governor will not send any list to us. We're not expecting any list, because caretaker committees are indeed an aberration. They are not allowed by the Constitution or by any known law of Rivers States.